Okay, just moving on to the case study. So we've spoken quite a lot about different concepts within this webinar. I just wanted to spend some time just showing you what we've done for the customers around these concepts, just to keep their environments as secure as possible. Sadly, I can't reveal customer names for these case studies. However, the idea of me talking around this case study is not to prove that we've gone through the process. It's to reveal the benefits that our customers have gained by using the technology in Azure. So, we really want you to be using these technologies and concepts within Azure to protect your workloads and applications too. So just a quick run through this. So we've, this one for the first case study is using Azure Web Apps Application Gateway and Azure Database for MariaDB. So basically they had a web application that needs to talk to a database, which we chose Platform as a Service databases for. But also it needs to be really secure. Traffic needs to be kept from the public internet. So one of the benefits they got from that was, actually I'll start by talking how we configured it. So you've got the user that's accessing the application. So first of all, they hit the application gateway, and that's configured with end-to-end SSL. So that traffic comes in on HTTPS and it's decrypted and inspected before being re-encrypted over to the web app. That web app is using service endpoints, so that traffic is actually traveling over to the web app on the internal network as opposed to the public network, sorry. And then what we've got then is we've got access restrictions kept on that web app. So what we're saying is we only want traffic coming from the application gateway. It's all good having this application gateway in place, but if we don't put the access restrictions on the web app, a user can come along and just hit the endpoint for the web app and go straight into the environment. So we've configured, only traffic from the application gateway that's permitted will go through to the web app, which is good. And then we've got the Azure database for MariaDB on a private link connection. So again, that traffic going from the web app to the Azure database is all on the internal network as well. So that's taking public services such as web apps and databases and putting them on the internal network for the database anyway, but the traffic for the web app over the internal network as well. So the benefits the customer got from this, so the database is removed from the internet. And the web app traffic is over the Microsoft Backbone network. So, the data for this customer is really sensitive data, so we can't have it just floating over the public internet. So it was really important that we kept that off the public internet. The application gateway that provides web application firewall functionality as well as the end-to-end SSL. So really important that the traffic is always encrypted with the data being so sensitive. And we've got that protection against the common vulnerabilities that can take place, such as SQL injection and various others, just if we need it. And then we've got the web app restrictions. So as I say, there's no point having the application gateway in front of the web app if we're just going to allow users to go directly to the web app and bypass the app gateway. So that if they try and get to that web app now, they'll be denied. But if they go through the application gateway, then that's when the web app will respond.